Let's build a lighthouse on the rocks to show the way for ships. First, we need to assemble bucket dredger. You're doing really great. Filling bucket dredger. Let's choose the refueling gun of the same. You're doing really great. Let's prepare the rock. Tap on the screen for the ship to continue the action. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. There is a coral reef ahead. Let's turn the wheel to the right to get past the There's an island on our way. Turn the wheel to the right to sail past. Swipe to the right to turn the wheel. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. First, we need to assemble crane ship. Done! Now we need to fill it. Crane ship. Pump. Amazing! Let's build the lighthouse base. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. We're in right rudder. Rocks on the horizon. Right rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast to clear the way. Great! We got past all the obstacles. Mast crane. You're doing really great. Now we need to fill it. Mast crane. Choose the color. Pump. We did it! Let's place the walls. to wash it clean. Mast crane. Drag the foamer onto the ship to soap it up. Drag the washer along the vessel and remove the rest of the foam. That's all. First, we need to assemble. Container ship. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Container ship. Pump. You're doing really great. Let's put the top part on. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. Attention, another ship is directly ahead. Sound a blast so it'll notice us. There is a coral reef ahead. Right rudder. There are rocks directly ahead. Right rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. Hooray! And now, let's load the materials into Red Barge. Let's drag the hook to the freight car to load materials into the ship. Let's drag the hook to the freight car. We did it! Let's add the windows and doors. Let's wash. Red Barge! Done! Carrier. Done! First, we have to fill it. Ship carrier. Pump. Done! Let's build the pier. Let's repair. Ship carrier. Let's straighten the screw. Let's tap on the blade to straighten it with a sledgehammer. That's all. You did it! Let's load the materials into Yellow Barge. Done! Let's add some plants. The lighthouse on the rocks is finished. Now it will show the way to ships.